Need service or repair on gas fireplaces. KDM Home and Gas performs service and repair to all gas fireplace models and manufacturers in Markham. No matter where or when you bought your gas fireplace, if it isn't working, our experts can get it working perfectly. Common fireplace repairs include pilot lights not lighting or staying lit, ventilation problems, gas line blockages, and electrical components that control the fire. Let our fireplace repair technicians come into your home and provide an estimate of the cost of repairing fireplaces. No matter the type of gas fireplace in your home, KDM Home and Gas technicians can provide repair service. We offer very affordable rates for Markham in-home gas fireplace repair services. Before any of our technicians start any work, they will explain everything and answer any questions you may have. There are no surprise fees. Your gas fireplace is kind of like your car or any other possessions that you use consistently over time. The more you use it, the more wear and tear it is going to suffer. The frigid winters and the somewhat erratic climate zone that we live in can take an even greater toll on our gas fireplaces. If you have a gas-burning fireplace that you like to use regularly during the winter, you are going to need to make sure that you have your fireplace serviced annually. On the KDM Home and Gas service team, we take pride in our services first and meet every customer with the utmost care and respect. We want to make sure that you get the best possible experience with our company and that your fireplace is in the best working condition possible so that you can enjoy sitting around a warm fire all winter long.